everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Anaya Rathi. Today we are going to do a science experiment called the fake blood. This experiment's ingredients are available in homes. This experiment's fake blood that we are going to make is purely edible. There is no harmful substances or no chemicals. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you want to try this experiment at home, please watch the full video. Now, I'm going to tell you what are the ingredients required for this experiment. The ingredients are sugar powder, cocoa powder, red food color, a plastic plate and a plastic cup. Now let's start the experiment. First, we'll mix the sugar powder and the water. I am going to mix these in the plastic cup. Now I am mixing my sugar and the water. I have used less ingredients because I don't want to waste it. Now I am going to add the red food color in the mixed water and the sugar. Now I am adding 6 or 7 drops of red food color in the water. Now I am mixing the red food color nicely in the water. In the water, the sugar has dissolved completely. Now I am going to add the cocoa powder in this water. Mix the cocoa powder. Now we'll stir it smoothly. Now just have a look in the color. It's looking like a red blood. Now let's put this blood in the tissue paper. So as you can see, this is looking like a real blood. I hope you find this experiment good. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.